Good morning. We all know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but sometimes it can be hard to find the time to prepare a healthy and satisfying meal before rushing out the door. That's why I'm here to share with you some simple and healthy breakfast ideas that are perfect for busy people. Let's get started. First up, we have overnight oats. Simply mix together rolled oats, milk or yogurt, and your favorite toppings like fruit, nuts, and seeds, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, you'll have a delicious and filling breakfast that's ready to go. Another quick and easy option is a breakfast smoothie. Just blend together some frozen fruit, milk or yogurt, and a handful of spinach or kale for a nutritious and tasty meal on the go. If you're in the mood for something savory, try making avocado toast. Toast a slice of whole grain bread, mash up some avocado, and sprinkle on some salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. You can also add a fried egg on top for some extra protein. For those who prefer a traditional breakfast, you can never go wrong with scrambled eggs. Whip up a couple of eggs with some veggies like spinach, mushrooms, or bell peppers for a nutrient-packed meal that will keep you full and energized all morning. And finally, don't forget about the power of a good breakfast wrap. Fill a whole grain wrap with scrambled eggs, avocado, turkey, and veggies for a portable and filling breakfast option.